Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create pictures of yourself as a child using AI. You'll be able to use AI, artificial intelligence, to create pictures of yourself as a child using your adult pictures. So guys, I know that you might have seen people post picture of themselves as a child, post AI photos of themselves as a child, and you're wondering how they actually make it. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually create AI photos of yourself as a child, and this child picture that will be produced by this AI will look exactly like you when you were small. So guys, I've produced mine. I've been able to generate AI picture of myself as a child. I was able to compare the AI child picture with the picture of me that was taken when I was small, and they look exactly, almost 99% exactly. The only difference is that the AI child picture looks new and looks sophisticated and so sweet and beautiful. In case you're like me, I don't have much picture of myself as a child. This is an opportunity that you can use to generate pictures of yourself as a child. So guys, just make sure you watch to the end of this video so that you can get AI photos of yourself as a child, because it's actually important, so that you can have a picture to show to your child saying this is actually your picture, even though it's an AI picture, but it's actually real, because these pictures are actually looking real and beautiful. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first thing that you have to do is to launch into your app. So guys, once you launch into your app, the first step that you have to take is to set up your AI profile. You can see what is written there. Pick your gender. We only need this information to better select model image to generate your photos. So guys, if you're a guy, you go for male. If you're a girl, go for female. So I'm a guy, I will go for male. Let me tap on it. Then once you choose your gender, you tap on continue. So guys, before I continue, I know you might be inquisitive about the name of this app. You don't have to bother about it. Just make sure you get the steps right. Knowing how to use this app is more important than the name, because using this app is actually techy. Like, if you don't know how to use the app, you'll be able to get the required result that you're actually looking for. So guys, what you have to do is to make sure you watch to the end of this video so you can get all I'm going to say in this video. Concerning the name of the app, you don't need to bother yourself, because I'm going to make mention of the name of the app in this tutorial, and you'll be able to use it to generate AI pictures of yourself as a child. So guys, here now, what is required of us now is to upload 8 selfies or 8 photos of ourselves. You can see what is written there. Show us how you look. This app wants to know what you look like, so you need your pictures to be able to produce AI photos of yourself as a child. So what you have to do is to upload 8 pictures of yourself. Once you upload it, you can tap on next. So let me go ahead to upload my own pictures. I have pictures in my gallery. Let me tap on upload 8 pictures. You can see it there below. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now it has led us to our gallery. You can see the child picture there at the top. That's me. I generated it using this app. That's why I want to show you guys how to do it. You can see others that I have generated. It's actually awesome. So guys, once you are here, what you have to do is to tap on the open gallery. You can see there at the top. You tap on it. So guys, you can see it has taken us to our gallery. So let me go ahead now to upload my pictures. Let me go to downloads. So let me go ahead to select my picture. Let me take this one over here. This one, this, and this. And let me open. So I've selected it already. Let me tap on next. So guys, once you're done uploading your 8 pictures, tap on continue. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see what is written here. Pick a model image. Our AI will generate images of yourself with the overall style and composition of the model image you pick. So guys, you can see here, these are the model pictures you can choose from. As you can see here, we have so many models here, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to choose the child model. You can see different child model, the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So let me go for the second one first of all. Let me tap on the second one. Then let me tap on use this model image. Let me tap on it. So guys, you're going to see now it's uploading our 8 photos. Guys, you need to take note of this. If you're uploading your pictures for the first time, or you're making use of this app for the first time, it's going to take a longer time to actually produce your AI photos. So guys, don't be surprised if actually you use this app for the first time and it delays you a bit. But if you're using it for the second time or the third time, trust me, it's going to take less than a minute and your AI photos will be created and generated. So guys, you can see what is written here. We are working on your photos. Estimated time is 6 minutes. If you look down below, you're going to see what is written there. They said, don't worry, the first time takes longer. The next will take less than a minute, just like I said. So guys, just take note so that you don't get dumbfounded when you're using the app for the first time. Let's just wait for a few minutes, then our AI photos of ourselves as a child will be generated. Wow guys, this is so beautiful, and I must tell you with all facts and proof that this picture looks exactly like my picture when I was still little, when I was still a child. This is so beautiful. So guys, there's something I want you to take note of. If you want to save this picture, all you have to do is to swipe to the right. If you want to delete it, just swipe to the left. Let me show you guys what I mean. Let me save this one now. If I want to save it, I will swipe to the right. You can see it's saved. If I want to save this one too, I will swipe to the right. I love this picture, but I have to delete it just to show you guys how to delete. Let me swipe to the left to delete. So guys, you can see now all the AI pictures of me as a child has been saved to my phone gallery, and also they have also given us a video as well. So this app is not just giving you photos of yourself as a child, it's also giving you videos that you can save to your phone. So if you want to save it, just tap on the save icon below, then you can save it. But I don't want to save it, I want to cancel out of this video. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me cancel out. So guys, let me choose another model. You can see what is written, change model image. Let me tap on it. I want to choose another child model. Let me choose this fourth one over here on my left. This one, the child on corporate. You can see it. Then let me tap on use this model. Let me tap on it immediately. So guys can see now it's no longer 6 minutes again, it's now few seconds. So in the next few seconds now, our AI image of us as a child will be given to us. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is looking so real. I just wish I could get a picture of me as a child so that we can compare the similarities, like 99% accurate and real. So guys, I love this. Let me go ahead to save this one. I love this one as well. This is so cute. I love this. I love this. Let me keep saving. Wow, I love this. I can't hate it. I like it. Wow guys, so guys can see now a video is generated for us again. If you want to save it, you can go ahead to save it. Let me save this one. I love this one. Let me save it. So guys can see now our video is saving. In the next few seconds it's going to be saved to our gallery directly. Let me just wait for a while. Wow guys, that's it. Our video has been saved. So guys, if you want to generate more pictures of yourself as a child using this model, all you have to do is to tap on the generate more. You can see the icon there, the arrow pointing at it. But I don't want to generate more AI images using that model. I want to change the model. So what I have to do is to tap on change model icon. You can see it there. Let me tap on it. So let me go ahead to choose another model. Let me choose this one here at the top, the first one. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on used image. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds. This is going to be the last model we're choosing for this tutorial. Then I'll go ahead to tell you the name of this app and how you can download it from your Play Store and your App Store, and you'll be able to use it to generate pictures of yourself as a child. Beautiful pictures and amazing pictures. Wow guys, you can see it has been generated. I so much love this one. Let me save this. Let me swipe to the right. Wow, this is so beautiful. Let me swipe to the right as well. I so much love this as well. Let me swipe to the right. Wow, this is so cute. I so much love this one. So guys, this is all with generating AI pictures of yourself as a child and choosing the model that you're going to use to generate the AI pictures of yourself as a child. So guys, now let's go back to the name of this app. What you have to do now is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store, then you search for Remini. Let me go over to my Play Store. Let me search for Remini. Just search for Remini app photo. You can see there, Remini app photo. You tap on it. So guys can see there, that's the second option, that's the second app. You can see the logo there, red and white logo. All you have to do is to tap on it. So guys can see here, this is the app. All you have to do is to download and install it into your phone and start using. You can go ahead to check about the description of this app and all about the app. You can see here, this app has a review of 4.3, which means people are actually saying good things about it. The review are actually top notch. And also if you scroll to the left, you're going to see that it has 100 million downloads. That means 100 million persons have actually downloaded this app and they are using it, and it is giving them the required result. So guys, this app is actually working out good things for people. So guys, another thing that you need to take note, which is actually important, this app is giving you a 7 days free trial. So guys, what you have to do is to subscribe to this app. This app will require you to input your card details. Don't be afraid of that. Just put in your card details, then you'll be able to use this app for 7 days free. What you have to do is that you have to make sure that you cancel the app subscription on or before the end of the 7 days free trial. So on the 7th day of the free trial, what you have to do is to go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store and cancel it. So guys, you don't need to worry about that because I've actually made a video on how you can cancel your app subscription. You can find it in my channel, or you can simply go to the description of this video. I'll leave the link of the video on how to cancel your app subscription. So guys, what you have to do is to go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the link there. Just tap on it, then watch it. You're going to learn how to cancel subscription for any app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.